Hey, Mark David here, your local home loan expert. I wanted to take a little bit of time today and talk a little bit about some tips for making your credit profile and credit score better to help you with getting better options when it comes to buying a house and getting a home loan. To start off with, the first thing I would recommend is make sure you pay your bills on time. I know sometimes it seems minimal because it's like the minimum payment is only $20, so what's the big deal if you miss it? Well, it is a big deal to the credit scoring algorithms that calculate your credit score every month. Missing that tiny little payment and having it be more than 30 days late just on one account can impact your score by as much as 100 points, which is a big deal for multiple reasons. So be diligent on that. Set up an automatic payment is what we highly recommend. Secondly, we recommend that you pay your balances in full. Paying them in full really shows a lot, but also because credit cards in general are looked at as emergency loans. So when you do charge money on there, it's kind of like you're taking on an emergency loan. So it actually is good if the majority of the time you don't even need to put anything on your credit card and keep a zero balance most of the time. It will help you achieve a better credit score. So try to get that balance paid in full when you do have one on there. Another tip that we have is be cautious of how much you put on the credit card in the form of percentage. Recommended level to stay at or below is 30%. If you do go above that, like 50 or 75%, or heaven forbid, above 100%, even $1 above, you're going to see a dramatic decrease in credit score that following month as far as the calculation and the algorithm. So be really, really cautious on that because it's all based on percentages, especially on those credit card accounts that it's a low credit limit, like $200 or $500. Just charging $100, $200 on there could really make a big impact. Last suggestion I'm going to make for you is be a little cautious on opening up a whole lot of new accounts. Definitely seek out advice from experts like myself, where we might recommend intentionally opening a couple of accounts to build a better, bigger credit profile. But if you do too many at once, that can raise a red flag as well. With all of these tips we're recommending here today, we highly recommend you seek out advice from people like us. But also, as a disclaimer, we are not a credit advisory agency. We're professional mortgage advisors. So reach out to us when you have questions, message us or comment below, and we're happy to help you out. So again, Mark David, your local home loan expert.